Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost mirror. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a picture frame, a sheet of two-way mirror film, and a dark, spooky background image. Don't forget a small light source, like an LED strip or a tiny lamp, to illuminate your ghostly apparition. Make sure your frame is perfectly clean and ready for assembly. Next, let's prepare your frame and mirror. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the glass from your picture frame. A spotless surface is key. Carefully apply the two-way mirror film to one side of this clean glass. Use a squeegee or a credit card to smooth out any air bubbles, ensuring a perfectly clear surface. Finally, trim any excess film neatly around the edges. Now, it's time to assemble your ghost mirror. Carefully place the glass with the two-way mirror film back into your picture frame. Next, position your dark background image directly behind the mirror. Secure this background image firmly within the frame's backing. Finally, install your light source, such as an LED strip, behind the background image, ensuring it faces towards the mirror. To activate the ghost effect, you'll control the light behind the mirror. When the light source is off, the two-way mirror functions as a regular reflective surface. However, when you switch on the light, it illuminates the background image, making it appear as a ghostly figure within the mirror. Experiment with different light intensities to achieve various spooky effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.